Starting around August 2023, Algorand basically is exchanging at $0.097 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, Algo generally has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $755,759,937 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,011,501, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This truly makes Algorand, Algo, beautiful positioning at 46 in the cryptographic money market. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in a real sense be worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Algorand a fundamentally wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023, which truly is genuinely huge? Will Algo cost outperform its unequaled high, which truly is very critical? These by and large are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which generally is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost for the most part is supposed to sort of cross a very normal value level of 12 cents, the normal truly least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to by and large be 12 cents, showing that Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023 as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost truly is supposed to sort of cross a by and large normal value level of 12 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to explicitly be 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Algo can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of 13 cents. So also Algo can by and large arrive at a greatest value level of 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Algorand could in every practical sense stretch around 11 cents. Showing how Algo essentially has a truly all-out market cap of $755,759,937, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,011,501 in a very significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 generally is 10 cents, with a sort of typical cost of 11 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to in every way that really matters be at around in all things considered, least of 11 cents, exhibiting how on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and thinking about what explicitly is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Algorand generally be somewhat worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Algorand cost can generally arrive at a kind of limit of 12 cents, with the especially normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is supposed to especially be at around an extremely least of 11 cents, which especially is very critical. Algorand cost can especially arrive at a really limit of 12 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to sort of reach at any rate worth of 12 cents in November 2023. Which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, or so they basically thought. Algorand, Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand in every way that really matters is by and large anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at an especially normal cost of 12 cents. While the coin could exchange between an all things considered limit of 13 cents and a truly least of 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand pretty past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been somewhat diminished by 0.24% in its kind of current worth, so Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to sort of be at around a for the most part least of 11 cents fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we explicitly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which in a real sense shows that assuming that we sort of analyze the truly current market cap of the algo with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in every practical sense. As opposed to prevalent thinking, Algorand most certainly is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in a sort of enormous manner. The algo truly is down to nearly 16.47% in the very most recent 7 days in a sort of large manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely past not many days. The coin could in every practical sense have serious areas of strength however, we don't basically believe that it would have productive resource in genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of algo explicitly diminished by 59.000%, disposing of an astounding especially normal amount of 14 cents from its by and large current worth in a kind of significant manner. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a fundamentally great, generally purchase an open door for sort of fast venture, which sort of shows that assuming that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand most certainly be truly worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change generally is near 60.49%, and the cost certainly coursed from a very least certainly normal cost of 23 cents to kind of greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of 25 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days, which all things considered, shows that Algo, value figure December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of Algorand explicitly is generally anticipated to really arrive at a truly normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a limit of 13 cents and a kind of least of 12 cents, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand for the most part is somewhere near 48.37%, with the truly greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin certainly was around 17 cents, and the fundamentally least extremely normal cost of truly was around 16 cents in beyond 4 months, which basically shows that the 90 days cost change basically is near 60.49%, and the cost explicitly flowed from a genuinely least in every practical sense normal cost of 23 cents to most extreme truly normal cost of 25 cents, in the kind of beyond 90 days, which for the most part shows that Algo, value conjecture December 2023, for December 2023. The cost of Algorand explicitly is all things considered anticipated to essentially arrive at a kind of typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange